Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and I hope you guys are having a great day today. So in this video, I'm going to be going over all the different transactions that I did at Dollar General today. We do have some updates. Everything pretty much went as planned, except for a couple of prices, but that's okay. Everything still worked out pretty good, and I found some really great sale items. So I cannot wait to share that with you all. Now, I did have to film this outside, so if there's a little bit of shakiness in the video and there's a little bit of background noise, just look over that and focus on the deals so that you guys can get in on these deals too. Now, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help my channel grow. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, I love hearing from you guys. So please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. All right, guys, let's jump right in. Hey guys, so we are outside. I'm not going to try to go inside and have everybody be quiet, but we're outside. We're back at home. I usually don't do Saturday haul videos, but I figured I found some really great deals and wanted to let you all know about it. And also some glitches that are still working. So first up, we have two big transactions. These 6-foot folding tables are normally $36, and they are following the sale, which is on I want to say red dot and green dot items. If I'm wrong, please correct me down in the comments below, and I'll leave a pinned comment up at the top. I'm pretty sure it's definitely green dot. They're 50% off right now, and these are following those that sale. So these are normally $36, but they're ringing up at $18. So here is the barcode. If you guys want to type that in and see if maybe some of your stores around you have these in stock. I've been to 2 stores this morning, so the one did have them. But here's 2 quick transactions that I did. I picked up 2 tables at $18. The first transaction, I threw in a couple of gallons of milk, which is something that we would have had to pick up this week anyways, just to get me over that $25 mark. You can definitely add in items that we have coupons for, or glitches, or like the Colgate, that would give you $2 in overage. So you can definitely get your subtotal over $25 and come out with a really good deal. So for the first one, I added in the milk. The second one, I added in 2 bags of Funyuns for my kids' lunches. Now, what I did was I used food stamps to bring down, to take off the price out of pocket for the milk and the food stamps. If you guys are not, if you have kids or grandkids or whatever, and you have kids in school right now, you need to check with your schools. If you're not already getting food stamps from your state or from the government or wherever it comes from, definitely call and ask about it, because there's a lot of people who didn't get food stamps before who are now eligible because of the Rona. So if you're not already signed up, if you haven't checked into that, that's something that you definitely need to check into, because that's a big savings right there. It really does help me out. So anyways, I used the food stamp card on the milk and the Funyuns to get my out-of-pocket a little bit lower. And then, of course, the 5 off 25 came off. So there's the first, well, there's the one for the Funyuns. I ended up paying $15.78 out-of-pocket for a $36 table and $6 worth of Funyuns. So pretty good. $15.78. And then here is the second one with the milk. Sorry, it is so stinking hot out here and the lighting is really bad. Let's see. The second one is $15.80. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. There it goes. So it took off, of course, the food stamps paid for the milk, and then it took off that 5 off 25. So really, really good deal. So if you see these, scan these, and then the rumor has it is we have a clearance event coming up. So I have been working on some videos for that next week if we get confirmation of it. It should start on the 20th. So if these tables are still out there and at 50% off, there'll be an additional 50% off if we have that clearance event. So that would be even better. But I went ahead and grabbed them because I'm like, as soon as this gets out, they may not be available. So I went ahead and grabbed some because I am planning on having a big old yard sale. So there is 2 of my transactions that I did today. Gonna do a little rearranging, and I'll be right back with you. All right, guys, so again, we are back in the van. So this was kind of more sale items. Sorry it's so shaky. But these are red and green dot items I picked up a rug. So that's green dot, $2.50. These little baskets right here, storage baskets, they're very big. Let me see here. So that's a red dot and it's $2.50. Picked up 2 of those. Basically, I was just trying to pick up some of these items. They're very cute. There's another green dot for $2.50. These plates here, I picked up 5 of these. And these were $1, and that is a green dot right there. So I picked up 5 of those. And then I'm very excited about these little storage crates, these like milk crates. These are also following that red and green dot. So these were $2.50. I'm not sure. There's no sticker on these. So there's no red or green dot. So these may be pretty easy to find because people aren't looking for the red or green dots on them. So those were just $2.50. So 2 for $5. Then to get my subtotal over that $25 mark. Sorry, this lighting is horrible out here. It's so bright and it is so hot. To get my subtotal over that $25 mark, we still have this instant savings of $2 when you spend $8 on Tresemme products. I had 2 of those Unilever coupons for 3 off 2 of the Tresemme hairstyling products. And so I threw those in. Again, you have to scan 2, scan the coupon. Scan 2, scan the coupon. And then you could probably just type in your number, but I did use a paper 5 off 25 and everything worked perfectly. No issues whatsoever. So for 15 items, I paid $15. So about $1 each is how it worked out to be. But as you can see, there's all the discounts. The dinner plates are $1 and everything else was $2.50. So that turned out really good, and I'm very excited to have some new big storage things that I can store my couponing stuff in. So there is another haul for you guys, another transaction that I did, about $1 each. Alright guys, so here is my Gain transaction that I did today. Pretty much the same one that I put in the video yesterday. I picked up 4 Gain laundry products that were $3.95 each. I picked up 1 Gain product that was $6.95. We have 2 off 1 P&G coupons that do expire today. So if you need some Gain, if you need some laundry products, go and use those coupons. So we have 2 off 1 for all of these products, either from the August P&G or the July P&G. Then I also picked up the Colgate glitch, which is still working in my area. This is working, it's working on the cavity protection, and I want to say the baking soda one. I'm going to pop up a picture on the screen here because I did scan in store, but this was a new one that I didn't know that it was attaching to. So cavity protection, if you see those in the dollar aisle, $3 each, and then we have a 5 off 3 glitch digital coupon that's going attaching to those. Now I could have picked up the BioFreeze, but I decided that I wanted to save those coupons because that glitch isn't ending anytime soon. It's been around for like a month, so I did want to save those coupons, maybe for next weekend, maybe if we have a clearance event, or right, cross our fingers. So here is, so this would have been free had I added in the BioFreeze, but it's okay, it worked out really good. So there's all of the Gain, the 5 off 25 and the 5 off 20 did stack perfectly. All of my manufacturer coupons came off, and my subtotal was 75 cents for 8 items. So that's like, what, 10 cents each, pretty much, a little bit less. So that was a really good transaction. And again, don't forget, we have 2 off 1 and 3 off 1 Gain coupons that came in the July P&G, and we have 2 off 1 Gain coupons that came in the August P&G. All 3 of those coupons expire today, so today's the last day to do that. Alright guys, again, gonna do a little rearranging and I'll be right back. Alright guys, and here was another transaction that I did. Now this is just using those spend coupons from the P&G deal that we had last, I think those coupons may still be good. You still may be able to run out, do a P&G deal and get those coupons back. I'm not really sure. But I had a spend 7 on P&G products and pretty sure that they're not going to stack with the 5 off 25. I'm not sure. I didn't try it. I just honestly don't have the time to do that today. But anyways, I picked up 2 of the Bounty Essentials. I thought that they were still on sale for $4.95, but they're not. They're back up to $5.50. So I picked up 2 of these. I had a 1 off 1 digital coupon and a 25-cent off 1 digital coupon. So there is the receipt for that, and ended up paying $2.75 for 2 packs of Bounty Essentials paper towels. So I thought that was still a really good deal. It would have been better if they were still on sale, but I'll still take it. Alright, gonna do a little rearranging, and I'll see you in a second. And we're back, and it's still so hot out here. Alright guys, so here was another spend coupon that I needed to use up. Those do expire tomorrow, so if you have any of those 501 or 701 P&G coupons, make sure that you use them. That is pretty much free product. So I picked up another one of the Bounty Essentials and a Swiffer Duster Starter Kit. I had a 25 cents off 1 digital coupon for the Bounty, and a 2 off 1 Swiffer. I used the one out of the P&G, August P&G inserts. So here's my receipt right there. The store discount that you see is the P&G coupon, so $5.50, and then the manufacturer 25-cent off 1, and the 2 off 1 Swiffer manufacturer coupon. So subtotal was just 75 cents for both of these items, which was a great deal. Alright guys, I think I've got one more for you. Alright, last one of the day, and our neighbor's air conditioner just kicked on, so sorry if you're hearing any background noise. Anyways, this was another spend coupon. I had a $5 P&G coupon, and I still had one more Colgate digital that I needed to use to take advantage of that glitch and that overage. So I picked up one of the Cascade 28 count dishwasher packets for $6. We had no coupons on that. Then I picked up one of the Dawn dish soap for $1. Then I picked up the 3 Colgate in the dollar aisle for $1 each. So these were free, plus gave me $2 in overage. So that paid, so I have a $5 coupon coming off, and then that $2 in overage made this completely free. So $6 here, $1 here. I had a $5 spend coupon, which would have made these $2 had I not added in the Colgate, right? So here is a look at my receipt. Everything came off just fine. You can get multiple items with that P&G $5 coupon. And as you can see there, subtotal was just $0. I only had to pay taxes. The only digitals that came off was the $5 spend coupon for P&G products and the $5 Colgate coupon. Alright guys, so that is it for my transactions from DG today. Never mind guys, I lied, we're back. One more, I just did this transaction by itself to kind of see if I couldn't find any more of the black package Tresemme hair mask. So I wanted to just test this out to see if it would work. So again, we have the instant savings on Tresemme products. When you spend 8, you instantly save 2 at the register. And we have 3 off 2 Unilever insert coupons that came in our Unilever insert a couple of weeks ago. So these are $2 each. So that puts me at $8. $2 comes off instantly, and then $6 in manufacturer coupons. Again, you have to scan 2, scan the 3 off 2 coupon, scan 2 more, scan the 3 off 2 coupon. So that worked out just fine. That coupon's working on all of the hair masks that I can find. So if you still have those Unilever coupons, go out and grab you a freebie or add this in with your 5 off 25s. So there is my receipt. Those coupons do expire today. If this is going to, there you go. So there's the instant savings coming off and the manufacturer coupons. Subtotal was $0.00, and I just had to pay tax, which I think was like 56 cents. So really good deal, really good, quick little freebie. All right, so that is it. That's the end of my transactions that I did for today. Alright guys, that's it for me for now. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I hope all of your transactions went smoothly today at Dollar General. Now, before you go, please make sure that you are subscribed. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help my channel grow. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, I love hearing from you guys, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can in on these deals as well. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.